Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to fix Roblox content not accessible issue. Here, as you can see, this game has a moderate level and I am unable to play it because my level is mild. When I click on it, it says that update your content maturity settings. To solve this issue, go back to the home page and from here, click on the More. Now click on the Settings option. Now click on this Privacy and Content Maturity option, and then click on the Content Maturity option. From here, you can see that it's on the mild option, so scale up it to the moderate option, and as you can see, it is required to ask the permission of your parent. Click on this button, and now here, add your email address. And that's how the email is sent to your parent. When your parent will accept the request, you can able to play the game. That's how you can change content not accessible issue. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.